Dear sirs, welcome to my presentation. Today, I'm going to talk about something we can improve for our company. And my presentation is divided into 4 parts. Here we go. The first part is causes and goals. As a member of development department in rating gaming company, I think one problem we face now is a poor players feedback system, which negatively affect the improvement of the game. And I conclude there are 2 flaws for the reason system. The flaw number 1 is lack detailed rating directions. As the picture showed, our rating system is just for the whole game, but we cannot tell the goodness or the problem of this product by this rating system. And flaw number 2 is lack the diversity of players who give feedback. Actually, only a few players are willing to give feedback to us. And most of them are 5 stars and 1 stars because most of people who give feedbacks are either extreme love game and extreme hate game. It is the phenomenon of losing diversity. I'll take Terrorblade as an example. Terrorblade is a newly released pop game by our team, and by far there are about 100,000 people who registered in it, and only 10,000 of them had rated the game. We received the feedback, but it really doesn't help us to improve or upgrade our game. So we have 2 goals. One is to make the rating more detailed, and second is to increase the scale of people who give feedback. Here are my findings and ideas. To solve the first flaw, the simplest way is to divide the rating process into different sections to make the rating more detailed. Instead of rating the whole game, I think the specific sections of questions is better, such as, how do you think the interactivity of the game? When we receive a low score of these sections, and we will try hard to improve this section of the game. For the diversity problem, the recapture system inspired me a lot. You may be confused by the recapture system. First, let me introduce you the capture system. Capture system is a security system that tells you from the robot. And recapture system is just an update version of the capture system. You may be familiar with this system when you are surfing internet on Chrome. You may see pictures like this. It's recapture system. It may want you to choose all the road signs in the pictures. Besides the security function, it has one more function. It can produce datasets for machine learning. How it works? Let me simply explain it to you. Here are 2 words in these pictures. It's the original version of the recapture system. The left word is easy to recognize, and it's for the security functions to tell you from the robot. The word on the right is intensively twisted, and it cannot be recognized by the machine, but can be easily recognized by human beings. So we can just send the right word picture and the word we typed in into the database for machine learning. And now I have an idea. What if we combine the recapture system and the rating system? I did these things. I replaced the right word with the detailed rating question. In this case, we can set our own database for the rating system. And people are somehow forced to give a rating score to us. And it can solve the diversity problem. Now let's talk about the plan and budget. Step number 1 is to create a detailed rating system. The due is December 22nd, and the budget will be $20,000. The step number 2 is to combine the rating system with the recapture system. The due is March 10th next year, and the budget will be $50,000. There's still something we can do after the development. We can first randomly apply this system to the new games and observe how it will affect the game. At last, we can deliver some service for the improvement. Thank you. That's all. And if you have any questions, just ask me. Thank you.